welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie and I'm back again with another video. In today's video we're going to be installing a wig. Okay, this is not my first time installing a wig, but it's like my first time installing a wig. Anyway, the wig we're going to be using in today's video is from Luvmehair. It is the invisible lace wig in 22 inches. This is a body wave, and yeah, you guys be sure to like this video, comment down below and share this video, and without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is how the hair came in a box, this purple box. Can we just talk about this packaging, because Luvmehair has one of the best packaging. Anyway, in the box we have a purple pouch containing the wig, and then under this white paper we have another white pouch. Then we have a black comb with 3 sides that you can use for different purposes. Anyway, in the white pouch we have a gold scrunchie. We have some eyelashes, a pair of 2 eyelashes. Like, those eyelashes are actually really good. We also have a Christmas inspired nail set. I got the hair like almost around Christmas time, that's why it's Christmas themed. And then we also have this pair of silver hoop earrings that are so cute. Now in the purple pouch we have the hair wrapped in some mesh, like all wigs come in the sack. And basically that is how the hair came in the bag. That's how the packaging was. Okay guys, so this is what the wig looks like out of the bag. It's looking good. The curls is curling. Okay, it's actually a middle part and it's a closure, and this is supposed to be the invisible lace. So I think this does not need bleaching or anything, and I actually don't have time to bleach it, so we're gonna have to make it work. Compared to the wig that I make, it's not the thickest, but it's also not too bad. And now that I have the air out of the bag, why does my lace have a tear? Why? It has an elastic band inside of the cap, and it has clips inside of the cap that you can use to lay your wig. Right now I'm going to just add some powder to the lace and we're gonna put it on. So we're gonna put it on our hair just to see how it looks. Okay, and now it's starting to give what it's supposed to give. Can I just say that this wig is actually like big, like this is big, it's perfectly big. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's perfectly big. This is what it looks like with the cap. It's giving, she is giving what she's supposed to give and even more. So we're gonna go with our got to be spray. Okay, now it's slightly sticky and I'm just gonna, okay, I don't want it to be too forward. I want it to be like right in the right place. So I have glued it down. I don't know what I'm doing, but like there's still a lot of lace. So I'm just gonna put the spray and then we're going to try to melt it. I feel like you shouldn't do this when you have makeup on your face. Don't do it. Okay guys, I'm just combing it out slightly, not slightly, a lot. Basically I just have my hot comb and we're going to like hot comb the hair. So naturally I wanted to have like edges on this, but they wanted a natural look, and I like my lane of the wig is not perfect, so I can't like have it high. But anyway, they wanted a natural look, so I can't really do much to the hair. I can just curl it and make the curls even better, but I don't feel like it. Like I feel like this is not too bad. Okay guys, so we are done. This is what the lace looks like. It's a mess, okay, but like the invisible is actually invisibling. The only issue that I have is that the lace is like there's a tear in the lace. I don't know why, but I actually like the hair. I love the density, I love the length. This is 22 inches and it's kind of short, but it's not too short. You guys see where it is for 22 inches. I really love the hair. The curls are nice, juicy and bouncy. Of course, it's the first day. It does not have any nasty smells. It doesn't smell like any bad thing. If it was in the hands of a professional would probably do a better job than me. Yeah guys, we've gotten to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video, although it was all over the place. I really love this unit and I hope you guys did too. If you're new to my channel, be sure to like this video, comment down below and share this video. And without further ado, I'll catch you guys in my next video. See ya. Later, boo.